Hello, my name is Paul Rooney. I am the Director of Facilities here at North Rockland School District. We are currently in the North Rockland High School. The school was built in 1968. It consists of 320,000 square feet, and all the main hallways are of a cementitious terrazzo floor. The Diamond Devil and shine tool that we use leaves a better shine with less maintenance once you get to that maintenance stage. Every floor gets hit at least once a week with the maintenance tool. We originally started this process due to staff members getting injured, and I had the buy-in from my custodial staff in this building to try something new that would be safer. We ended up with the Diamond Devil due to the fact that it was safer for the employees that were previously stripping and waxing floors. The most value out of using the Diamond Devil and Shine tool is the end product. I just wasn't getting the results that I was expecting from the other competitors. And the monies that we are saving is about 2/3 less on floor finishes, including stripper and wax. I would rate the Diamond Devil and Shine tool process and materials as a 5, being the best product I found out there on the market. I would recommend the use of Diamond Devil to any K-12 schools that have terrazzo floors, as well as any higher education, due to the fact that it saves time and labor hours, saves money, and it's a safer process than stripping and waxing floors.